It's the age-old debate in the car world. Automatic or manual? One promises comfort, the other promises control. But as a mechanic who's seen the insides of thousands of gearboxes, I can tell you the best one depends entirely on how and where you drive. Today at Smart Auto Fix, we're settling the score. We'll look at costs, reliability, and which one is the smartest choice for your pocket. Let's start with the classic, the manual. The pros. It gives you total control. You decide when to shift. Traditionally, manual cars were better on fuel and cheaper to buy. The mechanic's view. From a repair standpoint, manuals are simpler. If a manual transmission fails, it's usually the clutch, which is a straightforward fix. The cons. It's work. In heavy city traffic, your left leg is going to get a workout. Plus, there's a learning curve. If you're a beginner, you risk stalling the engine or burning the clutch. Now let's talk automatics. The pros. Convenience is king. In stop-and-go traffic, an automatic is a lifesaver. Modern automatics, especially CVTs and dual-clutch systems, now shift faster and more efficiently than any human can. The cons. They are complex. An automatic transmission is like a computer. If it breaks, it's expensive. The mechanic's warning. You must stay on top of your fluid changes. Neglecting an automatic transmission service can lead to a bill. That costs more than the car is worth. Let's break it down. Fuel efficiency. It used to be manual was better. Today, it's a tie. Some modern 10-speed automatics are actually more efficient. Purchase price. Manuals are usually cheaper to buy used. Resale value. In today's market, most buyers want automatics. An automatic car is often easier to sell later. So which one fits you? Choose manual if you love the feel of driving. Choose manual if you drive on open highways or you want the lowest possible maintenance costs. Choose automatic if you live in a busy city with lots of traffic or you want a relaxing, stress-free commute. Smart Fix tip. No matter what you choose, check the transmission fluid every 30,000 miles. Don't wait for it to start slipping. At the end of the day, both have their place. What do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below. I want to hear your manual versus auto stories. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Smart Auto Fix for more expert advice. Drive safe.